Okay, another successful installation. Dennis Tirjan.
Tirjan, yes.
We're from Tennessee, right?
Tennessee, very well pleased.
Oh yeah? Nice and quiet, isn't it?
Yes.
Man, and the installation went quick this time. It took about 3 hours because it started at 9.
Yeah.
And it was about noon, maybe let's say 4 hours. What time is it, 1 o'clock?
And Roland's very precise. And very detail oriented, which is important.
Yeah, you gotta be, man. So you don't have to do it 2 or 3 times.
Right.
Yeah. So, got it running. Man, I'm always impressed with how quiet it runs.
Yeah. So will the people you camp next to.
Yeah, they'll appreciate it.
Yeah.
And Dennis has installed a automatic transfer switch.
Yeah.
So he doesn't have to fish the cable in. He's done that recently. Just crunk it up so the steam.
Here's what it looks like. You just have your 3 wires going into it.
Oh, that's cool.
It's out of the way.
Ah, okay.
So you got your. I have to put a rubber grommet on that one yet.
I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. I'm gonna have to do mine. You did a neat job too.
It took a little while crawling in there, but. And then I ordered this plug to fit on without that. At home in the garage, I just put this on it.
Oh, okay.
And then plug into the garage. We have it indoors. But I ordered this plug to put on the end. See, I had to cut the end of the one we had off to hook it. So I've got a 25 length of cord, that real heavy cord.
Yeah.
And I have this coming in the mail where this size cord will go in that 25-foot cord. And that way it fastens. See how it fastens? And it's watertight.
Wow, that's nice.
But I have a little one for the house.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna hook that up. So Dennis has the same floor plan that I have, and so his interior control panel is right here. And as you can see, the light is on, it's still running. Here it is. And wow, I really like the fact that it's nice and quiet and smooth.
Yeah. And we don't have the mattress on, which would make it even just a fraction.
Right, yeah, you would have it once you put all that back, it would be covered and it would be even quieter. Yeah, and you don't even have your converter box, your generator box insulated either.
Right, yeah.
So
that's something I need to do too.
Yeah, that would help too. Well, great. We've already tested the microwave and the air conditioner, and I don't think it's under any load right now. Let's see. 1.8 amps, so that's his charger converter, and that's the only thing that's pulling a load right now. But great, another installation completed successfully.
Nice and convenient.
Well, there goes Dennis Tirjan leaving now. He's got his new generator installed. You can see the exhaust pipe in the back. Back to Tennessee. Another installation successful.